Selamat pergi, welcome to Kampong London, the show where we teach you how to make Malay food in London. Today we'll be cooking Kicup Manis, a dish that combines both kichup and beef into one delicious dish. Without further ado, let's get to work. First we'll start with the meat. I'm using 1 kilogram of beef cut into shawarma pieces. Wash the meat with cold water and drain it with a colander, preferably one with a handle. When still in the sink after washing, press down on the meat to get as much water out as possible. Put the colander in a large bowl and set it aside to continue draining. Next we'll move on to the marinade. Peel the ginger, garlic and onion and wash them. I'm using a teaspoon to peel the ginger and it works pretty well. By this time the beef should be drained enough. Throw any excess water from the bottom bowl and transfer the beef from the colander into the bowl. In the larger bowl, grate in the ginger with your finest grating tool. Then grate in the garlic. Add about 1 tablespoon of seasoned pepper. Then add a cup of Kichup Manis, the good stuff. Mix it all up, and once you're happy with the taste, put the marinade in the beef and mix well. Cover with a microwave cover and set aside for about 30 minutes, or whenever you're ready to eat. Slice onions and set aside for when you are ready to cook the beef. Prepare the broccoli and start cooking the fries. While you can fry them, I chose not to do that and put some fries in the oven. I also used an air fry since I had it, which allows you to get them out a lot faster. Next, we'll steam the broccoli. I fill up a pot with a bit of water to cover the bottom and add the broccoli. Put it on a medium temperature and cover them. You want them cooked but not limp. Once that's done, it's finally time to combine all the ingredients. Cover the bottom of a wok with cooking oil over a high heat. Add the onions and quickly saute them. Once caramelized, add in the beef. Stir a few times, then put the broccoli on top and cover. Lower to a medium heat. Cook for a minute or a minute and a half until the broccoli is cooked but not too limp. Then quickly plate the broccoli and turn off the heat and stir the beef. Taste the beef and add salt if needed. It should be cooked and tender. If you're happy with it, take it off the stove and serve. Kichup Manis can be served a few different ways with a few different things. If you want to eat it with rice, cook some rice on the side, or you can eat it with just the fries. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Kampong London. This was a very fun dish to make and I recommend it wholeheartedly to all of you guys. Please cook for your family, tell them you love them, and until next time, Assalamu alaikum.